Let's explore the advantages of organic versus non-organic herbs. We'll break it down so you understand the differences and can make the best choices for your health. Health advantages of organic herbs. 1. Lower chemical exposure. When herbs are grown organically, they're not treated with synthetic pesticides or fertilizers. Therefore, you won't ingest any harmful chemical residues when you eat them. 2. Higher antioxidant levels. Studies show that plants grown without pesticides have higher levels of antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your cells from aging, cancer, and other diseases. They neutralize harmful molecules called free radicals. So the more antioxidants in your diet, the better protected you are. 3. Better nutrient content. Organic herbs often have slightly higher levels of essential nutrients like vitamin C and minerals like magnesium and iron compared to non-organic herbs. This is because the soil where organic crops are grown is typically richer in nutrients. 4. Healthier gut microbiome. Eating organic reduces your exposure to pesticides, which has been shown to harm beneficial gut bacteria. This helps you maintain a healthy gut microbiome essential for good digestion and a strong immune system. 5. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Studies show that regularly. Eating organic foods can lower your risk of developing chronic diseases like certain cancers, hormonal disorders, and neurological issues. This is likely due to the lower pesticide residues and higher antioxidant levels found in organic produce. 6. No GMO risks. Certified organic herbs are free from genetically modified organisms or GMOs. While GMO foods are not inherently bad, some people prefer to avoid them due to uncertainties about their long-term health effects. 7. Stronger medicinal properties. If you're using herbs for their medicinal properties, organic versions may be a better choice. Organic medicinal herbs, like organic turmeric or ginger, for example, may retain more of their active healing compounds without chemical interference. Now, let's look at the advantages of non-organic herbs. Health advantages of non-organic herbs. 1. Still provide nutrients. Even though non-organic herbs may have slightly lower antioxidant levels, they still contain important nutrients, antioxidants, and beneficial compounds. They are still a much healthier option compared to highly processed foods. 2. Affordable access to herbal health. Non-organic herbs are usually much cheaper, allowing more people to benefit from herbal nutrition and remedies, especially those on a tight budget. 3. Year-round availability. Having easy, constant access to herbs, even if non-organic, helps people use them regularly and maintain healthy eating habits without seasonal gaps. So here's a quick comparison of organic versus non-organic herbs. Quick comparison. Feature organic herbs. Non-organic herbs. Chemical residue, minimal or none. May have synthetic pesticide residues, nutrient content slightly higher. Good. But sometimes lower antioxidants, health risk, lower long-term risk potential, higher risk from pesticide exposure. Cost higher, lower accessibility, may be limited in some areas. Widely available summary. Both organic and non-organic herbs offer unique advantages. Organic herbs are best if you want to minimize chemical exposure, boost nutrient intake, and protect your long-term health and well-being. Non-organic herbs are still valuable for your health, providing many important nutrients and compounds. However, they may contain higher pesticide residues and sometimes have slightly lower antioxidant levels. Ultimately, the choice is yours based on your health goals, budget, and access to these wonderful healing herbs. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe for more health tips and guides. Stay healthy and well.